Nandito ako sa shop. Nagtinda ako ng lata ng hindi ko na videohan guys. Kasi may napagbintahan akong 2 dinar. 2 dinar 700. So may pangbili na yan ng ng kape. Ayan, thanks God. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Blessed Saturday. Let's going to work. Going to work na naman. Saturday work. This is the shop guys that I nagka 7 kilos yung ko, yung inipon-ipon ko sa car. Diba guys? Di laking bagay din yung yung 2 dinar na yan. Kabili ka na ng betchen kasi nakamagkano ako kahapon. Bumili ako ng tubig, betchen at saka isang coke is already 2 dinar. Magkano ba yun? 2 dinar something din yun eh. Pero yung pinaglalakuan ko yung ganyan ko guys, wala na naman. Naubos-ubos ko lang din sa dinalakansya ko kasi yan guys. Pinagbibintahan ko kaso nga lang nadudukot ko naman. Di ko napalitan yung nabunot ko noon. Pero okay lang. I hope next time I can earn already. How much do I... My God. No way here. Oh my God, I lost my way. There's no way like that. I lose. There is. I lose already. Yeah, but how now I go back? Oh, because very tight the road. So where I late already. Oh my Jesus. Why that road become like that? Before okay naman siya. Ngayon, napalayo tuloy ako guys. Ayan. This is one way. But where go this one? Oh. Sisikip ng mga daan dito. Problema pa tong car ko guys. Hindi umaalis yung sign na yon. Hindi ko alam kung daan na kaya ako sa shop. Oh my God, end up na pala dito. Ay, kaloka. Oh. Kailan nagmamadali ka eh. Ang sikip dito guys. Ay naku Lord, muharak lang, nawala pa ako. May multo. Diyos ko, sisikip pala dito. Punta ka dyan eh, wala namang labasan dyan eh. Papasok ka rin dyan, wala namang... Oh my God. Oh my God. What is this? My friend. This is one way. Oh my God. I lost my way, my friend. This is one way. Oh, where I go out? It's okay, I can go here? Okay, thank you. Oh my God, one way lang pala to guys. Mahuli ako ng pulis. Full na driver. Oh my God. May nilalabasan kasi ako dun dati eh. Why? What happened to the road? Oh, I'm so worried with that. With this one, my car guys. There is yellow sign there. I don't know what is that. They said engine. I should bring to the... I should have to bring to the shop again. Bye-bye na guys. Thank you for watching. I have already 2 dinar 700. I'm happy already with that. Bye-bye. Keep safe everyone. I'm late na. Sarap na ng hangin guys.